Now that you've done your chromatography experiment, I want to tell you exactly what happened. So, I've got a pot of water, I've got a chromatography strip like you had, and I've also got a brown pen. So I'm going to draw a dot, and then I'm going to put it in the water just like you did, and I'll pop that one there. Now I'm making sure that the water level isn't higher than the dot, because we don't want to wash the dot away. Now, when this pen was made in the pen factory, the people that made it will have used a mixture of different inks to get this brown colour. Brown's not a primary colour, so it's not red, blue or yellow, so we need to mix different colours together to get this brown. Even with blue pens and red pens and yellow pens, there's probably a mixture of different shades of those colours inside to get the perfect colour for the pen. So there's a mixture of inks, and some of those inks are actually slightly heavier than others. So different colours might have different weights. Now when the water moves up the piece of paper, what happens is it grabs onto those inks and takes it with them. But the heavier inks, they don't travel as fast, and the lighter inks, they travel much faster. So what happens is your water level is rising up like this, taking the inks with it, and the heavier colours will stay down at the bottom, and the lighter colours will move up to the top. So what we're seeing is just the colours splitting up. So you're actually finding out exactly what colours were used to make that pen when it was made in the pen factory. Mine's doing it now. It's only just started, so it won't have done like your one. But if we hold it close to the camera, you can see we're starting to get a few different colours. And there's some green in there, some pink and some black. You can't see it very well on the camera, but hopefully you can see it on your one. And different pens will make different colours. And you could even have two black pens that look exactly the same when you write with them, but when you use chromatography and split them up, you find they've been made out of different mixtures of ink because they were made in two different factories.